Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Model Y and the Acura RDX. We'll start by looking at their performance. The Model Y, being electric, delivers instant torque, allowing for very quick acceleration, often reaching 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. The RDX, on the other hand, offers a refined gasoline engine, providing a smooth and responsive ride with good power for daily driving and highway cruising. Both offer distinct driving dynamics. Next, let's explore the interiors and technology. The Model Y embraces a sleek, minimalist design, dominated by its large central touchscreen that controls nearly all vehicle functions. The RDX presents a more conventional luxury feel, with a well-appointed cabin, comfortable seating, and a user-friendly infotainment system that includes physical controls. Both vehicles offer advanced driver assistance features, but their approaches to interior design and user interface differ significantly, catering to different preferences. Now, let's talk about safety and reliability, crucial aspects for any vehicle purchase. Both the Model Y and the RDX have earned top safety scores in crash tests, reflecting their robust construction and advanced safety features. Tesla's Autopilot and Acura Watch provide extensive driver assistance, enhancing safety on the road. In terms of reliability, both brands generally perform well, though electric vehicles like the Model Y often have fewer moving parts, potentially leading to different long-term maintenance considerations. Finally, let's consider price and overall value. The Tesla Model Y generally has a higher initial purchase price compared to the Acura RDX. However, the Model Y can offer significant savings on fuel costs due to its electric powertrain and potentially lower maintenance expenses over its lifespan. The RDX, while having traditional fuel costs, often comes with a strong standard feature set and Acura's reputation for reliability, offering excellent value in the luxury compact SUV segment. Your choice depends on your budget and priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.